Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT 5 to boost your productivity in daily life, work, study, or even your personal projects. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel, Mr. TECHFOX. First of all, make sure that you have an access to ChatGPT 5. And to do that, open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. And if you don't have an account, just click on sign up and follow the steps using your email, Google or Microsoft account. I already made a tutorial how you can create your ChatGPT account. Click on the I button to watch that video if you face any kind of problem. After signing in, make sure you are using the ChatGPT 5 model. As of now, it's called GPT-4o or GPT-5 level model under the ChatGPT Plus plan, which is $20 per month. Now, let's understand the interface. Once you are logged in, you will see the chat window on the right and a prompt box at the bottom. At the top, you can see your current model. If it's not GPT-4o or GPT-5, click and change it. You can also upload files, images, or use voice input with the latest version. Now we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT 5 for work and study. So, you can ask it to draft emails. For example, if you give it a prompt like this, write a polite email to my boss asking for a deadline extension, it will give you an outstanding result and it will save you time. Besides that, if you want to create a to-do list, you can give it a prompt like this. Make a daily routine for a college student who works part-time, and you will get an outstanding result again. You can also summarize long documents. Just give it a prompt like this. Summarize this PDF into bullet points, and then just upload the file. You can also generate brainstorm ideas. For example, you can give it a prompt like this. Give me 5 content ideas for Instagram Reels about fitness. And you will get your expected result. Additionally, you can learn many things by using ChatGPT. For example, you can ask it to explain complex topics in simple terms. For example, you can give it a prompt like this. Explain blockchain in easy language. And then you'll be able to learn complex topics like blockchain. Now let's talk about custom GPTs. On the left menu, click on Explore GPTs. There are hundreds of custom GPTs designed for specific purposes like coding, productivity, writing, design, therapy, etc. Just click and start using one of them for more specialized help. For example, use a productivity planner GPT to plan your week. Now, let me talk about using the memory feature. It is one of the latest features of ChatGPT. GPT-5 can remember things now. You can teach it your name, schedule, preferences, and more. Just type something like this. My name is Mr. TECHFOX. I'm a university student. I want to help me wake up early and plan my week. It will remember and suggest based on your context. Now let me give you another specific tips. And that's downloading the mobile app on the go productivity. And to do that, normally you have to download the ChatGPT app from the Play Store or App Store on your phone. Then sign in with your same OpenAI account. You can use voice input, image input, and access your chat history anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for quick help, reminders, or writing drafts on the go. Now let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT 5 with other tools. You can integrate it with Zapier or Make.com for automation, Notion AI for note-taking, Google Calendar for scheduling, VS Code extension if you are a developer. Always be specific in your prompts. For example, instead of typing "make a plan," say "make a 7-day study plan for math, 2 hours a day, beginner level." Just try to make your text more clear and more accurate, and it will generate the best output results. On the other hand, if you feel so lazy to type, you can try voice prompts for faster input. You can use ChatGPT 5 for scripting, resume building, grammar fixing, and even planning your meals. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped you understand how to use ChatGPT 5 to improve your productivity, whether you are working, studying, or just organizing your life better. If it was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more tech tips like this. Allah Hafiz.